I was probably at the peak of my powers. I felt more confident in myself and my attack and threat. I had done a lot of work that year and it was shown in the first 20 minutes.
Lobbing it up for Tom Parsons to securely take before the arrival of O'Connell Sweeney. Switched in as far as Parsons, trying to give Mayo the lead with this kick. In and over the bar. Good play by Tom Parsons.
And then found myself in a tackle with Owen Kearns and bang, the unthinkable happens.
McHugh loses it. Ball retained once again by Owen Kerrin, who showed tenacity that time to take it. Back to Kine, and the referee holding it up because there's a head injury. Tom Parsons.
Yeah, he's hurt. Tom Parsons is hurt, and he called the ref to get some attention.
Bhí sagan in sin taréis, cúpla second gorá sé síos agus gorá sé an runna agus tá mé ceapan gorá cuidiú go na himróí SVO thuaigh siad an áil go Tom agus bhí siad ag éire cabhar a thuirstó.
I could hear a roar, and you can hear a roar from a player when there's 25,000 at the game. You know it's not good.
Jesus. Yeah, it was sickly. It was absolutely horrendous. I'm even losing breath now thinking about it, how bad it was. Complete accident, of course, but I didn't think it was possible to suffer an injury of that gravity.